Back, 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 back again. Back, 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 back again. Back, 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 back again. Yeah. Well, I'm back, 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 back again. Back, back, back again. Back, 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 back again. I'm Triple T and I'm back again. Back, back, back again. Woo! She's back, 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 back again. And you know, I got this delicious pizza for you guys here tonight. Yes, God. At least I'm not too predictable anymore. I mean, before it was just like every other video was Wendy's. Like just out of control. Tabasco, but as I like to call it with an East Coast accent, Tabasco. I have the Cronita here for you. Hope you guys don't got the Cronita. Yeah, I like to call it Croniter. That's kind of my twist on a. Now tonight, so far, oh, she's a little crispy. I heated them up. I don't know. I'm a little bit fussy because I used to work with a very good pizza chef. Very top. This one looks amazing though. So this one is the Pacifico. So it has prawns, scallops, tomatoes, and I added salmon. It was just like, might as well just go to town. Right? Oh, the salmon pizza and the Pacifico. Bomb diggity. Oh, I'm such a slut for this pizza. I'm already sitting here thinking, I'm like, I'm always like, what if I just go there tomorrow and get some more? Well, it won't be as cheap, but oh. Oh, yes. Oh. The capricciosa tonight, I don't know if I'm Oh guys, just be beyond myself here. I kind of want, I don't know, tonight it's not the best. The seafood pizza is good, but ooh, this one is a bit, because I didn't even heat it up that long. Usually when I come home I put it in there for a bit. I guess for me this part got a little too crispy. This pizza is dry. This one is good though. This one is like juicy. So, when I first went back to work, I probably maybe had the capricciosa before. I wasn't crazy over it. And then I ordered it one night and it was like friggin' bomb diggity. But since I keep ordering it, hoping to reclaim that glory of that one pizza day. But no. Oh, I forgot. The seafood pizza also has feta. But I find it funny when people go to when people come to our restaurant, if they ask what I recommend, the pizza or the pasta, it's obviously always, it's the pizza. For sure. Hands down. It's very rare I order the how do you say? Pasta. Sorry guys, most of the time I get crunching. Then I'll be like, oh, I need to chew my food. And then while I'm chewing my food, I forget what I was talking about. It's a terrible thing. Oh, pardon me. So I'm up to 29 subscribers. I mean, maybe I need to get laid off work again so that way I go crazy again. Crazy makes for some good content. Went into the corner gas station to get some sparkling water. And I thought, you know what? I want a little snack later. These are so good. They're from down there in the Philippines. You know, the Filipiners. I'd love to go back to the Philippines, but I don't know. Still feel kind of, I don't know. I'm sure I'll be fine, but just want to be safe. The only countries I've traveled alone to are Indonesia, Mexico, and Thailand. I'm still alive. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a tomato. Mm. 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 Ow. Well, so I got this friend, right? And her name is Dory. She's supposed to be my best friend. Doesn't watch any of my videos. Terrible, huh? So I figured this would be a good time to bash the fuck out of her. All she does is take baths all day. She's got 2 cats, 2 dogs, a girlfriend. I'm surprised there's no kids yet. There'll be more little lesbians running around. I don't know what it is though. Why do I love lesbians so much? Kind of over this pizza. Could have been better. I'm not complaining. I'm still thankful. I'm still grateful. Cup and cup. Cup and cup. Oh, fuck me sideways. So I did a shit ton of mukbangs. And then pretty much 10 minutes, 12 minutes in, I'm like, this is a hell of a fucking lot of food. And I'm like, I can't finish all this. So, or I'm just like, I watch it back and I'm like a stone, like a rock, a piece of rock would be more exciting. I'm like, no wonder people don't want to watch this, right? But I'd be showing you guys the food. Actually, you know what pizza I've never tried? From my work is the Hawaiian. And now I want to try the Hawaiian. Maybe like ham. You get double ham, double pineapple, and double banana peppers. Yes, mama. That's what I want. Yeah, so what did I say? See? Um, Probably the marijuana too. I literally forget everything. But at least I can feel proud about posting this shit. Because I'd be like, wow, you actually finished pretty much all of it. Oh, yeah. Double ham. Double pineapple. Double jalapenos. Oh, wait, we don't have jalapenos. Double banana peppers. That's God. I like it always at my workplace when you're like extra hot peppers. And it's like, is this even the normal amount? What is extra to you? Like, load that baby up, dude. Like, load the price up. I don't care, mama. I want extra hot peppers up in here. My anus will be burning. Anus thing is possible. And on that note, it's probably good time to call this good night. Goodbye, and I'll catch ya on the next Triple T Mukbang.